Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty crazy movement today. A little case of deja vu in some senses. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just go and get this first level of support mapped out, and that is down here at $2.53. I say deja vu because you look back here, and I'm sure some of you know exactly where I'm headed with this, but back here on the 12th, nasty move down. Price got right down here around 253-ish, and then made a very impressive bounce to the upside. And then you fast forward to today. Once again, pretty nasty move to the downside. Price got down to that 253 area, and then you got to give credit where credit's due. Very nice bounce in the upwards direction. So it's very apparent at this point that whenever the price gets right down around 253, give or take a few cents, people are wanting and willing to buy. Now, does that mean that it's a guarantee that going into the future, people are always going to be willing and wanting to buy at 253? No, no such thing as a guarantee. But as of right now, given what the track record and what this past history is showing us, is that yeah, people right now do want to buy whenever it gets down to 253, or in other words, that's definitely the key overall area of support going forward. As far as the near-term level of support and what I would call the ideal level, we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above the $2.65 mark. As far as levels of resistance now are concerned, near-term level going to be right here at that purple line, which I think I talked about in past videos. That might be a lie, though. I can't remember. But regardless, that purple line there denotes the 50-period moving average, and you can see that's where the price is struggling with it. Not saying the price can't get up above it, but that's just commonly a level of resistance. If the price can get up through there, then turn your attention to that pink line there, the 200-period moving average, and you can see right here quite the track record there of both kind of the purple line and pink line teaming up and providing that area of resistance right there where the price can never quite make any progress through there. So that's definitely going to be the key levels to watch going forward. All in all, though, you got to give credit where credit's due. Very nice comeback again on the bulls part. So 265, 253 going to be those two important levels of support going forward. So let's see how this week continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.